Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mike and I'm a fashion freak, a go-yard geek, a luxury lover, a shopaholic, chic head, an MS hole. And today we're going to be doing a really quick what fits inside my bag with my new Evelyne 29 PM France purchase. What I think of it so far, first impressions, wear and tear, which, you know, I've only had it for like a month, so not that much wear and tear, but a little more detail in the bag and what I think about it so far and all those kind of things. So if that's something you're interested in, please stick around, please smash that like button, please consider subscribing and keep on watching. Okay, so I'm just gonna get right into it. So this is the Evelyne 29 PM in Noir Clemence leather palladium hardware. It's a lot bigger than I thought it was. It's definitely way bigger than my 16s. So I think it's like, this is like 12 and this is 11 and a half. So I think the 29 is actually the bottom, although it's pretty close to 12. 12 is 30 cm. So who knows which way they're actually measuring it. I mean, somebody knows. I don't know. I do like that this kind of just like droops, and like I like that droopy open look, although if you want it closed, you can like have that. But with the droopy open look, it's very easy to get into it and like grab stuff. And it has a very like slacks, relaxed slouch, like on the go, don't give a fuck kind of bag look. Understated. I mean, it says Hermes right there, and then the H if you know it, and then it has Hermes made in Paris, made in France, Paris right here. Also says Hermes very tinily on the hardware here and here and here. I'll bring it up so you guys can see. If you can see that. There. See? So far, it's a very like throw it and put it in kind of bag. I love it. There's no, like I've used it for a couple weeks now. The bottom is still perfect. No marks, no scratches, no nothing. The hardware, no, I mean like it's still shiny and new. Shiny and new. But yeah, it's really great. I do love that it has this extra pocket for like your smaller things. So like, I mean, this is really spacious. Like this little pocket is bigger than the entire 16 TPM. So like, you could put everything in here. Like, I mean, let's see. I haven't gotten a bag organizer for this yet, but I will, so that I can put more things in it, so that I can feel more safe about putting things in it, because I don't like bags with bag organizers, because I like to keep the bags, you know, protected. So especially because it's a suede lighting and a lot can happen in here easily. One trip in the rain and the outside and the inside of the bag is destroyed. So, or one like accidental rainstorm or like unforeseen rainstorm and the outside and inside is destroyed. It also, what I do love, which is my favorite part about this, is that it fits my laptop. My laptop will fit in here. I have a 16-inch MacBook Pro. This is my 16-inch MacBook Pro with its case on. It'll stick out, but it fits in snug in here, no problem. You know, and I can carry it like that, which, you know, isn't ideal, but for like a laptop bag that you can use every day and kind of just go on the go, it's really great. You can still, there's still a lot of space in here. You can fit a lot more shit. And like I said, the back pocket is also quite full. I guess I could even put this back here. Let's see. Yeah, I mean, if you want to put your computer in the back pocket, you can do that too. It obviously will stick out a little bit more, but that's what it looks like. So I put this in here. Kind of takes up most of this, but there is still room for like files. Let's put like a binder just to kind of get the vibe. Like if you want to use this as a work bag, it's a great work bag. It can fit a ton, and then you can get all your like smaller things. Like you can put a long wallet back here. You could put, please hold, long wallet easily in there. If you don't want it sticking out, it's like a Continental. If you want it down, keys, wallet, phone will obviously fit back here. The only problem with this is you can't close it with this, with the laptop, obviously. But like I said, if you're wearing it this way, the back pocket's protected because it's closer to you anyway. I think you are supposed to wear it the other way, but because it's easier to open the other way, obviously. So you're actually supposed to wear it with the H inside. So let me just take these out so you guys can kind of see what that looks like. Supposed to wear it actually with the H facing you because it's about like breathing and perforate or something. I don't know, I think. But you're actually supposed to wear it like this. Obviously even more discreet look, but then you can like, I mean, it's protected, but you can still like use, I mean, you can get in if you needed to get in, right? Like you can keep it closed. There's still a ton more space back here. Like I've got a long wallet, regular wallet, my keys, my card. Here, I'll put some car key, AirPods. I mean, I could use this as a doggy bag too, because I have actually been using it, putting all my doggy trash bags back here. See? I should put that on top, put some clothes on top to kind of cover it. But yeah, I mean, when it's full, kind of gives it a little more, you can kind of see the little bumps and structure. Same thing on this side. Like when it's empty, it kind of dents in there, which I kind of don't like. I do try to keep it stuffed with like plastic when I'm not using it, which I haven't not been not using it, but like try to fill it up a little bit down there so it doesn't, that doesn't even really do it though. Like put something in there so that it doesn't kind of like get dented in that weird shape, but also so it doesn't get dented popping out either. I don't know if that makes sense. I don't know how good I'm doing at this video. I honestly think I need more time with this bag. Wanted to give you a little bit of an update. Also, these adjustable straps I don't really love how big of a thing it is. Like, I love like a little thinner one or like a little pad here. But utility wise, I just really love the look. Like, I just love this little, like, laissez-faire affair. The laissez-faire affair. Also this way. I really do love carrying it like this. I think it's so cool. Oh, my butt's showing, you guys. I think this way is really cool. I don't know. What do you guys think? Do you have more questions? Let me do a second one. It can fit a lot. This is definitely a decent sized bag to get, you know, or it would be a great travel bag too, because like you can like literally throw this over your shoulder and it doesn't take up that much space. Your computer, your essentials in here, and like as your personal item instead of like a tote or instead of like a bigger bag. Like this is a great thing. It's not great for bag nesting because you can't really put any other bags in here unless it's another Evelyne. I really like it and it's so soft. It's so soft, you guys. Great bag, great purchase. Really happy with it. Oh, it says Hermes in here too. Ooh, wait, no, it doesn't say Hermes. It says like weird markings and stuff. Who knew? Anyway, I'm sorry, I'm flabbergasted. I'm all over the place right now. I'm in the middle of moving. So I literally just put this in and now I'm gonna have to take this whole thing apart. My place, like everywhere else over here in this room is a mess. Everywhere, like the whole place is a mess right now. So I'm just trying to get a couple of videos banked and stored while I'm here with this background because I don't even know what my new background's gonna look like. It's gonna be completely different. I haven't mapped it out. I don't know what it's gonna look like. I don't know where I'm gonna be filming now when I move and we'll see, but I'm moving more space, bigger space, and I'm gonna rent this place out. I'm keeping it. I'm just gonna rent it out. And yeah, so more news to come soon. Anyway, enough of this. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash that like button. If you liked it, please share with your friends and family. If you hate it, share it with your enemies and exes. I know your time is valuable. I know your time is precious. So I appreciate you spending your time here with moi. Okay,